Hey, great day to you. Welcome to Amazonia PPC review. So basically I'm here with Igor. He's the co-founder of Amazonia PPC, and guys can help Amazon sellers with their pay-per-click ads. And we've created a lot of content in the past with Yelena, Igor's wife. But yeah, man, like in the description, we're gonna have the contacts of your company so people can use the link to see what you guys do. But man, tell us about what you guys do, who you can help, like what.
Yeah, we can help anything related to PPC. We don't have a full service marketing agency. Only PPC specialized for US, for the whole Europe. Basically, any marketplace there is, we do it. We're in the Amazon space since 2016. So did the Google ads before that, but now exclusively only Amazon PPC. So yeah.
Oh, is it most of your clients like 7-figure sellers, 6, or you do like most
6 to 7 figures mostly.
Okay, so
Yeah,
all right. So we're gonna have the link to Amazonia PPC in the description. Yeah, as I said, like long-term friends, we've been working with Yelena, we've been creating content, and here yesterday we were in Amazing Day Summit. Before that I met Igor only through email, and then I met him in reality, so it was cool. And here we are in the Balkan e-commerce summit, which is pretty cool. So I thought I could just do a review of what the guys do, share it with you, the viewer. So the links are in the description. Amazonia PPC. Thank you, Igor, man. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.